welcome to my channel. This is Adrija and this is my first ever video on YouTube. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Oh my god, I can't even think. For as long as I can remember, I have been wanting to do YouTube. I've wanted to create videos and, just post it, share it on the internet and develop a community. This has been my literal dreams for so many years now. I have always watched YouTube, and this idea of creating videos, this idea of collecting bits and scraps of your life and then combining into one solid video and then presenting it, this entire concept has fascinated me so much, and yeah, it has basically compelled me to start a YouTube channel. So I've been wanting to do it, as I mentioned before, I've been wanting to do it for quite a long time, but this very crazy thing called procrastination had made its way into here, and I procrastinated and procrastinated. I've just told myself, I will be doing it, I will be shooting, I will be filming from tomorrow, and then tomorrow unfortunately never came, and so I never started with it. But today somehow I just got this boost of motivation and I was like, okay, I will be making a video. I will start making videos just now. I will just start filming. I'll just do it. I don't care if it's perfect or not. I will just shoot it. I will just film it. I will just record the moment. And let's see how it turns out. So here it is. And here I am with my first ever video. So I'm really excited and nervous at the same time. So yeah. Let's get started with it. So this video is basically gonna be spend an afternoon with me, what I do in my afternoon, what I'm gonna be doing today. Obviously what I do in every afternoon of every day varies greatly. So this video is gonna be what I'm gonna be doing this afternoon today, and yeah, let's see how it turns out to be. Okay. So the first thing we're going to be starting with is unboxing, or rather I should say unwrapping some of the parcels that I received today. So as you can see, these are from Amazon. Yeah, and I basically got 2 books. So we're going to be unwrapping this. I'm going to be doing it. So let's have an unwrap with me session. So this is the first book. This is the go-to guide CUET economics / business economics preparation kind of book. Like, I'm a CUET aspirant, so I'm preparing for the CUET examinations. That's why I got 2 books. I'm going to be showing the other one to you right away. So this is the first book. Let's get started. Oh my god. I'm really sorry about that. You know what happens, I don't know if this happens with you guys, but whenever a parcel arrives, you just get, you are aware of what the parcel holds, but you get really excited to open the parcel and just tear the package just somehow randomly, rapidly, clumsily. Or is it just me? I can't be the only one, right? Please confirm me, you guys. Okay, enough of talking. This is the second book. This book is from Disha publication. It's a go-to guide book, and this is from Oswald. Both of them are literally very famous, and they're not available in the market, not available in our locality. So I decided to get it online from Amazon, a very trusted company. So yeah, this is the Oswald geography, geography mock tables. So now we're gonna make some of this penne pasta, Maggi pasta masala penne pasta. So yeah, let's see how this tastes and let's just make it. As you guys can probably see, we are boiling and cooking the pasta. So let's just see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out to be good. So wait for the end result, you all. This is the final result. I have garnished it with some salt and black pepper. So let's do a taste test and see how it actually tastes. There we go. It tastes so good. Like, this is the most exquisite, luxurious and delicious pasta I've ever had. I'm sorry. I swear on it. It's so good. It literally tastes so creamy and so good. So good. Oh my god, just look at the moon. It's so pretty.